Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inkstone Infra. In this video, I am going to take you through this load-bearing home renovation that is located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert. This is a 27 years old load-bearing house. We are renovating this cramped 3 BHK home into a spacious 2-bedroom house through horizontal expansion. Horizontal extension is expanding the house horizontally by making structural changes. The structural changes we made in this house is demolishing the walls between two rooms to make it bigger and stabilizing structural load with ISM beam. Here we are extending the master bedroom and kids bedroom. Let's understand how. Before that, let me take you through the early structure of this house prior to the renovation. There were 2 bedrooms adjacent to each other with 2 bathrooms in between. This was the 3rd bedroom with an attached bathroom. We have demolished 2 bathrooms that were in between 2 adjacent bedrooms. Now the master bedroom becomes spacious. This is a load-bearing house, so we are providing ISM beam for load transfer to achieve structural stability. This is how we extended this master bedroom. Now we are constructing an attached bathroom for the master bedroom and a common bathroom. We have demolished underutilized bathroom in the kids bedroom, thereby making it spacious.